Hi guys, I'm Matt and this is the Barocook, which is a flameless cooking system. It's kind of weird, I know it's like a driverless car or a flightless bird, but just think of this as the ostrich of campsite cooking. So what we're doing today is we're cooking without any fire. There's no gas, there's no matches, there's no lighter. We're using just water. H2O, yes, this is happening. This is a BC003 model Barocook, and today inside it we are making a pesto pasta with sun-dried tomato. Just because you're outside doesn't mean you can't eat with some style. Okay, so it's very easy to use. All you do is you open it up. It's like a Tupperware container. Inside you'll find the top vessel where you put your food. So this is where we'll top up the pasta and add some water. Okay. Then what we do is we take the heating pack and put it underneath. So the heating pack is made of 18 different natural ingredients. One of them is quicklime. So you just add water up to a level here, and there'll be an exothermic reaction.
A few moments later.
The final touch. And pesto, it's ready. Okay, so positives about the Barocook. So it's amazing, so easy to use and easy to heat up, and in windy conditions or in fire restricted areas it's an absolute lifesaver. So what can you cook in here? You can cook dehydrated foods, pastas, rice-based dishes, boiled eggs. On the negative side of things, you can't really cook for a large group of people with this. The food options are kind of limited, and if you're going on a long hike, 4 or 5 days hike, you've got to take a lot of heating pad, so it's really only for short excursions. Okay, my ultimate verdict of the Barocook. It won't replace the stove, but it's a lightweight option for cooking on the go and quick trips. You can find it online. If you Google Barocook, you find it. Wow, that looks good. This video is one of a series of videos brought to you by Suzuki.